In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use tasks in Zoho CRM. First, let's get started by opening up your web browser. Type Zoho into your search engine and hit enter. You should see several links, but the one we want is either the very first link or specifically the one with zoho.com as its URL. Click on that and it will take you to the Zoho landing page. Now, if you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. For those of you who are new to Zoho, you'll need to sign up. Follow the prompts to create your account, and once you're logged in, you'll be in the Zoho CRM dashboard. From here, the next step is to navigate to the module where you'd like to create a task. This could be leads, contacts, or accounts, depending on your needs. Choose the module and select a specific record you want to work with. As you scroll through the record, look for the Open Activities Related list. This section is crucial as it holds all the tasks related to that particular record. Click on New Task. This will bring up a new task form where you'll fill in various details about the task. Start with the subject. Make sure it's something clear and concise. Next, set the due date so you can keep track of deadlines. You'll also want to determine the priority of the task. Decide whether it's high, medium, or low urgency. Don't forget to assign this task to someone by selecting the owner. Then define the status of your task, whether it's in progress or not started yet. Lastly, provide a brief description to give more context about the task. If you need to, you can set reminders. These can be either email notifications or pop-ups, depending on what works best for you. If the task will recur, you can also configure its recurrence here. Once all the details are filled in, click Save to create your task. You can easily view all your pending tasks from the Zoho CRM homepage. This is a great way to keep an eye on what's due soon and manage your workload effectively. Make sure to regularly review these tasks to ensure everything is progressing as planned. As you complete tasks, don't forget to open them and change the status to Completed. This will move them into the Closed Activities, helping you keep your active task list clean and manageable. And remember, if there are changes, you can always update the task details such as priority or due date. That's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create and manage tasks in Zoho CRM, helping you and your team stay organized and productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.